Hello students, today I am going to tell you about the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means which are related to the algebra and एक रिलेशन होता है जिसमें आ, उस रिलेशन में कुछ वेरिएबल्स ले लेते हैं, कुछ कांस्टेंट्स ले लेते हैं और मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन का उसमें यूज करते हैं. Mathematical operations means there are four mathematical operations as plus, minus, multiply and division. But what is algebra? I want to know what is the algebra. When we know any unknown things, any unknown quantity as a literal value and express as a एक्सप्रेशन और यानी व्यंजक के रूप में उसको लिखते हैं तो वो उसको अलजेब्रा कहते हैं. In which we use variables, constants and mathematical operations to express our statement. That one is called the algebra. Now I am going to start algebraic expression. बीजगणितीय व्यंजक होते हैं जिनको हम यूज करते हैं. कभी कभी इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं कि हम बात करते हुए, किसी को समझाते हुए किसी चीज़ को लिखना चाहते हैं, उसमें कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो हमें पता नहीं है, उनको हम लिटरल वैल्यू के रूप में मान लेते हैं और उस स्टेटमेंट को हम मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन की हेल्प से लिखने का प्रयास करते हैं. और जब वो सही तरीके से लिख लिए जाते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं algebraic expression. As I have written here algebraic expressions. Then we write it as in which we use letters as unknown value, as unknown values or value, and we use mathematical operations, mathematical operations as plus, minus, multiply and division. For example, we write here ax plus by plus c equal to 0 or x plus 2 5y minus 7 as x square plus 2x minus 3 add extra. We can write these are algebraic expressions, and now I want to know how we add it how we subtract it, how we represent it, and how and what are the terms. In expressions, terms are separated only when we use the sign plus or minus, as these are as terms as x plus y square. Here are two terms because we have used plus here one time. So terms are two. And if we write here as x square plus 5x plus 5, here terms are 1, 2, 3. The terms are 3. And if we write only this way, x square y, here term is only 1. And if here are, as we can write in x square plus 3x minus 8, here here terms are 3. And right here many terms also, as x cubed plus 3x square plus 6x minus 9. Here terms are terms are 4. And we count here. Here plus and minus sign are used here. So terms are separated with plus or minus signs. When we write in the multiplication or in division, then which we have written all terms or all which thing we have written term is only one. As we have written x square y, as we can write x cube y cube and divided by x square, then term is only one. Term term is only one. This way we have understood about the terms, and now we are going to understood what are the factors. We are going to about the factors, how we understood what are the factors. If we have written any algebraic expression or it is in one term or two terms, and we want to know the factors as x square y or 2x square y. Here numerical factor is 2, and factor of y is factor of y is 2x square, and factor of x square, it is 2y. This way we can separate the factors, how which we use the variables and numbers and write the term by which it is we have generated. इससे हमने इसको बनाया है, उसमें कितने फैक्टर्स हैं, और न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर है तो उसमें हम अंक लिख लेते हैं और उसका साइन जो भी है प्लस है तो प्लस और माइनस है तो माइनस लिख लेते हैं। और टर्म्स और भी इसके हो सकते हैं, फैक्टर ऑफ एक्स, फैक्टर ऑफ फैक्टर फैक्टर ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू इट बी 2xy, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। factor of x square, factor, factor of x square, it is 2y. We have written already here. We have explained it again. So this way we can understood about the factors. Now we going to know the terms, which terms are like and which are unlike. Then like terms and unlike terms. Now we going to explain how we recognize, how we understood which terms are like, which are unlike. Then we going to explain about this as like terms, like terms. Which terms have the same variables and power is also same, then terms are like, as we have written, variables, variable are same and and power is also same. Power is also same. Then it is called like as लेकिन अब यहाँ पर ये बात समझेंगे, वेरिएबल भी सेम हो और उनकी घातें भी सेम हो, तब वो टर्म्स कैसे होते हैं, लाइक टर्म्स होते हैं, एक जैसे होते हैं, समानता उनमें होती है। उसका टर्म्स का लाइक अनलाइक से, साइन से और उसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता है, कोई अर्थ नहीं होता है। As we can write like terms here, examples as x square y x square r plus 3 x square y. All terms are like terms. Here we can write it here minus 4 x square y. Here we are seeing in each term, in first also x we have used 2 times and y 1 times. Here is plus sign, here is minus sign. Then we are seeing also as y we have used 1 time, x 2 times. So x power have 2 and next term plus 3 x square y. X we have used here 2 times, y 1 time, but numerical value is 3. So it is also a like term. This way we can understood it, as we have defined here, variables are same and power is also same, then it is called a like term. Or if terms are many, so we can say compare with the, for comparing there will be minimum 2 terms, then we can say these are like terms. Now, if terms are unlike, then how we understood these are unlike terms. As if variables are same but power is not same, then are unlike. If variables are different, then it is also unlike. Then we can write for examples as x square y z or x y square z. Here we are seeing variables are same but not used same time and par is different also. So these are unlike terms. And we can write as 4x y z square. It is also unlike terms. This way we are seeing variables are same but not used the same time. So these are unlike terms or they may be different also as a x y as a b z. Here we are seeing that variables are different and terms are unlike. They may be used this way. We can write so many or we can write here a extra. Now टर्म्स को हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं लाइक टर्म अनलाइक टर्म समझ गए होंगे. Now we going to explain about the addition. How we add the terms. The addition of the algebraic expression is two types, vertical or horizontal. Now we use both the method vertical addition and horizontal addition. Now I am going to solve the addition by vertical method. वर्टिकल मीन्स जस्ट वन अपॉन वन. जैसे हम कॉलम्स को देखते हैं जब भी कोई बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं उसमें कॉलम्स बनाते हैं. कॉलम को हमेशा वर्टिकल बनाते हैं. वैसे ही इसको इसमें पहले टर्म्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे उसके पदों को समझेंगे और लाइक टर्म के नीचे लाइक टर्म को लिखेंगे और उसको ऐड करते चले जाएंगे. As we going to write here, vertical method solution is this as 2x square y minus 4x 4x y square plus 8. In the next expression, as we are seeing, there is minus x square y. So we have and write it just under the like term as x square y and next term is minus 3. So we write because it is a number or constant. So we will write just under two constant and other terms are not given as 4x y square is not here. So we will write this way and now we add. Sign of addition is plus. So we have written here plus. When we write the expressions, then we add the expression, then we add then net not change to sign. जैसे हम प्लस करने जा रहे हैं इनको तो इनका साइन चेंज कभी नहीं करते हैं उनकी वैल्यू को देखते हैं और उनको सॉल्व करते हैं. As 2x square y and minus x square y. 2x square y is positive minus x square y it is negative. So it will be subtract because sign are opposite. So here will remain only x square y. Now we put the sign of the next term. Here is minus just under not any term. So we will write as it is. तो इसको ठीक वैसा ही लिख देंगे जैसा है क्योंकि हम ना तो ऐड कर कोई टर्म है नहीं जिससे हम ऐड कर सकें. Now we going to solve the next as plus 8 and minus 3 plus value is greater. So we will put the plus sign and then find the difference. 8 minus 3 it is 5. Thus we have added the expressions vertically. Now we as write horizontal method as horizontal method. As horizontal method, we write in a line as 17x cubed plus 2x square minus x plus 21, as put here plus sign and write the next expression as x cubed plus 20x plus 1. Now we add the like terms with the like terms as 17x cubed. Here is only 1x cubed. Both have the same sign, so we will add it, or we can arrange it also, as if we want to be it be very simple, then we can arrange. So we are arranging here. Now 2x square, x square is not given here. Now we going to the next term as minus x minus 20x and 21 plus 1. We have arranged the like term this way, so we will add it. As 17 and 1, it will be 18x cubed, and here we are seeing 2x square. It is only one term, so we will write as it is 2x square. Now we see here as minus x and minus 20x both have same sign, so we will put here sign and add both as x 1x and 20x 21x, and now we are seeing here constants 21 and 1, it will be 22. It is the horizontal method, and first one is the vertical method. Now we are going to subtract the expressions. Subtraction is also two types, vertical and horizontal. First we explain the horizontal. Now here we are seeing what is written from. ज्यादातर यही पर मिस्टेक होती है, बच्चे पहले से दूसरे को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, but we learned very carefully here. And from means से, तो हमको सेकेंड से फर्स्ट को घटाना है. It is second, it is first. Now we write here afterward expression first and then the first expression, as here is second and 4p square minus 6p cube plus 9q square. Then we write here the first expression and just under like terms also, as 9p square here minus 6p cube and plus 4q square. Now because we are going to subtract, so we change the sign of subtracting expression which we want to subtract, so we will change that sign. Here we are saying it is plus sign, so we convert into minus. चेंज करके माइनस लिखेंगे, और इधर माइनस है तो चेंज करके यहाँ पर प्लस साइन लिखेंगे, और इसको भी प्लस है तो माइनस कर देंगे. जिसको घटाते हैं उसके चिन्हों को बदल देते हैं, फिर उसका बिहेव जो होता है नए चिन्हों के अनुसार किया जाता है. अब नए चिन्ह हमारे हो गए हियर माइनस प्लस एंड माइनस. नाउ वी कंपेयर द फर्स्ट वन. 4p square is plus and 9p square is minus. नेगेटिव वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर, नेगेटिव मान अधिक है, इट 9 है, तो 9 से 4 को घटा देंगे, यहाँ क्या बचेगा 5p square, और साइन विल बी नेगेटिव because its value is more. Now we see here 6p cube negative and 6p cube, now it is positive. Both will be cancelled or when we add it, when we subtract it, it will be 0. So next is we see here which value is greater. So 9q square it is positive and 4q square it is just now negative. So negative value is smaller and positive value is greater. So we have put here positive sign and find the difference. 9 minus 4 it will be 5 q square. It is the subtraction and result. If we want to write the answer, then we write here answer also as minus 5p square plus 5q square. Then we can write in the rectangle. It will be good to represent the answer. Now we are going to solve this one, this subtraction, vertical method by vertical method. हम अच्छे से इसको समझेंगे और अरेंजिंग में ध्यान देंगे इसका कि हम इसको अरेंज कैसे करते हैं और फ्रॉम का क्या यूज है. फ्रॉम मीन्स the first term is subtracted from the second. तो सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन से फर्स्ट टर्म को घटाना है, इसलिए हम सेकेंड को पहले लिखेंगे और बाद में फर्स्ट टर्म को लिखेंगे. अगर हमने लिखने में गलती कर दी तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, इसलिए हमेशा हम सेकेंड टर्म के बाद वाला एक्सप्रेशन पहले लिखते हैं. फ्रॉम मीन्स से होता है, तो सेकेंड से फर्स्ट को हमें घटाना है. एज वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर माइनस 2a स्क्वायर bc माइनस 1/2 a b स्क्वायर c प्लस 1/3 a b c स्क्वायर. Because we are going to subtract the first one, so we will write just the like term just under the like term to like term. As first is a square bc, here also a square bc, so we will write here minus 1/2 a square bc. Then next a b square c, then put with the sign here 1/3 a b square c plus, then third term is minus, so we will write here minus 1/2 a b c square. जैसे एक्सप्रेशन हमको दिए गए थे वैसे हमने लिख लिए हैं और लाइक टर्म को नीचे लाइक टर्म को ही लिखेंगे. Because we are going to subtract, so we will change the sign. As here its sign is minus, so we have put here plus. Its sign is plus, so we have put here minus, and its sign is minus, so we have put here plus. As we see, when we why we change the sign. जैसे हमने किसी को पैसे दिए हैं तो मैं पॉजिटिव में हूँ, मैंने उसको दिया है, और जब हम किसी से ले लेते हैं तो उसका साइन बदल जाता है, हम कर्जी हो जाते हैं उसके, तो साइन उसका नेचुरली चेंज होता है, इसलिए हम इसको चेंज भी करते हैं. नाउ वी सी हियर which value is greater here, then we find the difference. Now 2 is greater than 1/2, so we will do our rough work this side, and 2 minus 1/2. Now we take LCM here, write here 1, 2 to the 4, so 2 1 the 2 and 1 1 the 1, so we subtract here and find it 3/2. And this value of the sign is negative, so here put the sign negative, then write here 3 by 2 and a square bc. Then we see here 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. So we will subtract here 1 by from 1 by 2, 1 by 3, take LCM here 6, 2 3 is 6, then 3 1 is 3, and 3 2 is 6, then 2 1 is 2. We have got here 1 by 6. And now sign of 1 by 6 in here is minus. So we now as we are seeing both have the same sign. So we will add it also, and at last we will put here the sign of final value. So final value be negative and it be 5 by 6 a b square c. Now at last we are saying both have positive sign. So we have put here positive and add 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. It will also be 5 by 6, 5 by 6 a b c square. Thus we have added and find the value. Now we went to the second. Now we going to solve the next question. It is of simplify. So we going to simplify and solve it. In simplify, we don't anyone said to me, you will subtract, you will add. So we will see the sign, then we decide what we are going to solve, do. Now we change the sign. If it is out of the bracket is minus, if out of the bracket it is plus, then we don't change the sign. First we see the sign very carefully and change the sign if it had the negative sign out of the bracket. अगर ब्रैकेट के पहले माइनस साइन लगा हुआ है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर के सभी टर्म्स के साइन चेंज कर देते हैं। जैसे हम कभी एक साइड थे और दूसरी साइड में जाने पर ही हमारा साइन चेंज हो जाता है। हम पहले किसी के फ्रेंड थे और बाद में एनिमी हो गए क्योंकि हम अपोजिट पार्टी में चले गए और हमारा जिसके साथ थे उसके साथ वैल्यू एड हो रही थी। अब जिसके साथ हो गए तो उसके साथ एड होगी क्योंकि हम अपोजिट पार्टी के साथ चले गए तो हमारा साइन भी अपोजिट हो गया। तो दिस वे वी हैव ट्राइड टू एक्सप्लेन दिस वन and put the change the sign. Now we solve it as 4x square plus 7x cube y square minus, then we write here rule also, when we change the sign then it is minus into minus, it be plus, plus into plus, it be plus, then minus into plus, minus into plus, it be minus, and when it is plus into minus, then it be minus. This way we can change the sign. Then now we write here as the next terms as minus into minus, it will be plus 6x square. Now it is also minus into minus and it will be plus 7x cube y square. Now minus into minus it will be plus, then it will be plus 4x. Now in third term as minus 10x, because first it is positive, we have break the bracket, so we change the sign. It will be also minus into plus minus 9x square. Now we arrange the like term as we are seeing here, x square it is also x square, it is also x square. So we write here just nearest it as x is 4x square plus 6x square minus 9x square. This way we have arranged the like terms. Now we are going to the next term as 7x cube y square. Then we see where is x cube y square? It is here. Now we will arrange this 7x cube y and next one also 7x cube y square. Now we arrange the other terms. Here it is x cube y as x cube y. Now we see here x square x only as plus 4x minus 10x. Now we count the terms. Our terms are written we have not. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have written all the terms and arranged the like term. Now we solve it. As 4 plus 6 it is 10. 10x square minus 9x square. Then next 7x cube y plus 7x cube y. So it will be 14x cube y square. It is given here 7x cube y square plus 7x cube y square. Now we are going to the next. As we are seeing here, negative value is greater, so we will put here the greater value sign. Now 10 minus 4, it will be 6x. Now we write here 10x square minus 9x square. So here will be only x square. Here will be 14x cube y square minus 6x. This way we have solved the simplification. Now we are going to solve in algebraic expression word problems. Now we want to solve the problem of algebra by using the word problem. Word problem we have in such as our problem as we want to find what must be added to get get दिस वन इसमें हम क्या जोड़ें कि ये मिल जाए। जैसे 25 रुपीज में क्या ऐड करें कि वो 35 हो जाए। तो क्या करेंगे 35 से 25 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे और हमें 10 मिल जाएगा। उसी तरह से हमारी प्रॉब्लम है 2x पावर 5 माइनस 5x क्यूब प्लस 5x माइनस 5 में क्या जोड़ें कि हमें 3x पावर 5 माइनस 5x टू द पावर 4 प्लस 7x क्यूब माइनस 10x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 मिल जाए। तो हम क्या करेंगे सेकेंड से फर्स्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे और हमें पता चल जाएगा कि क्या हम ऐड करें। नाउ वी राइट द एक्सप्रेशंस एज 3x टू द पावर 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x cube minus 10x square minus 4. Then we write the just under like terms and first expression is 2x to the power 5 minus 5x cube minus we write here minus 5x cube and plus 5x plus 5x and minus 5. plus 5x and minus 5. Because 5x is not in the second expression, then we write the like term just under the like term. Then we subtract it. When we subtract, then we change the sign. So we are changing the sign. Here is plus, so it is minus. It is minus. Then we have changed into plus. Here is not any. Here is minus 5. So we change it plus 5. Then minus 5x because it is positive. So we write here the terms as 3 minus 2. Now it will be only x to the power 5. Here minus 5x to the power 4. Here both have same sign. So we will add it 5 and 7, 12x cube minus 10x square. Then we write the here constants. 5 is positive, 4 is negative. Here will be positive value 1. Then we write here minus 5x. Now we will arrange it in answer. Then answer will be x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 12x cube minus 10x square minus 5x and plus 1. This we add to get this one. फर्स्ट में कितना ऐड कर देंगे तो हमें सेकेंड मिल जाए. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. What must be subtracted from first expression to get the second expression? पहले में कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि दूसरा मिल जाए. तो जैसे 10 में क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि 8 मिल जाए. तो 10 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे और 2 मिल जाए. 10 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे और 2 मिल जाएगा. इसका मतलब है 2 को ही 10 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें तो पता चल जाएगा कि हमें क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था. तो अब हम ये पाना चाहते हैं फर्स्ट में क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि सेकंड मिल जाए. तो सेकंड को ही फर्स्ट से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, सेकंड को ही फर्स्ट से घटा देंगे और हमें मिल जाएगा जो हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट इससे करना था. नाउ करना है, नॉट करना था. p स्क्वायर माइनस q स्क्वायर प्लस 2pq plus 10. Just under we write the given expression as minus 2p square minus 2q square plus 7pq plus 10. Now we going to subtract, so we will change the sign. Now we have changed the sign, plus to minus and minus to plus. So now we subtract p square. Now it is 2p square. So we will add it. Now it will be 3p square. Now second one is 2q square is positive value, q square is negative value. Positive value is greater, so it will be q square. Now in the next term it will negative value is greater, so we will put here minus sign and 7 minus 2, it is 5pq and 10 minus 10, it will be 0. Now answer will be as 3p square plus q square minus 5pq. P and Q, it is our answer. This way we can solve the problems.